Hello guys, and welcome to the unboxing, review and installation of the HUMAX DIGI+C HD4 digital TV receiver. This receiver comes in this box. Here you can see it has a HDMI video output, and it also supports Dolby Audio. Inside we have the user's manual, the remote control, an HDMI cable, the power cord. You'll get the TV receiver card. Also, two AAA batteries are included, and the receiver itself. The receiver is really nice, sleek and tiny. Right here we need to insert the card. Here the digital TV cable, and also we see the other outputs. We have even a internet connection for, of course, for the smart TVs, an USB connector, and also the HDMI interface. The AV out and the power connector goes here. So first let's take the card and insert it. Hope I'm doing it right. Let's just see the user's manual. So the smart card needs to be inserted with the chip facing downwards. So just like this. That's about it, as much as it goes in. So this HDMI cable doesn't have golden connectors. I think I'm gonna use one of my cables, but this is good also. And here we can see an odd way to insert the the two batteries. So one goes further inside the remote control, right about here, and the second one here. With the minus inwards. This is how the remote control looks. And now let's install it. Up until recently I used the BenQ PC monitor with a cheap TV tuner, and because of this I couldn't receive all the channels in my digital TV package. So with this TV tuner I only had like 62 channels, but not even those weren't all available. Let's see how with the new TV receiver the image will look. So on this monitor, on this PC monitor, I have a VGA, a DVI-D, and an HDMI connection. I will use the HDMI for this receiver. And also here it was the audio output for the TV tuner I used before. So here we have the TV receiver. Take the HDMI cable it came with, or another one you have. This one is rated for 4K 60 FPS support. And connect the monitor and the receiver. Also connect the cable TV. And now all that's left is the power source. Plug this into a power source, and this one in that end. There we have it. So we have a signal right away. And we can select from 3 languages. So we have that green light on the TV receiver. Select your preferred language. I will choose English for this demonstration, But before I can choose English, it tells me right away that there is a new software version available. So if I want to update it, we do not have to shut down or use the receiver until the update is complete. So I will hit yes to update it first, then click OK on the remote control right here, and let's wait for the update. So we see the HUMAX model DIGI+C HD4, the current software 0.033 and the updated version 1.006. Okay, so we have the screen again. Be patient because the updated process lasts about 10 to 11 minutes. Let's select the language using the arrows up and down. Okay, so after the language you will select your country. After you have selected the country, you have the options for the screen ratio. If you press right, you can choose it from 16 by 9, so on a wide display, or 4 by 3. Leave it on 16 by 9. Display format, pillar box, full screen and pan and scan. Well, I believe normal, it's okay. And the resolution, here we have 720p, so HD, 1080i and 1080p. Choose 1080p. This is interlaced, I think, so it's not full HD. 1080p it is. And right away the image is really nice. Now we also have a red button and a green button on the remote control, and we see there we also have options. Red is for back and green is for next. Let's click next, so press the green button on the remote control. Here we have information about the signal strength and quality, so 99% and 100%. I guess it's okay. These megahertz, I really don't know what they are. I'll just leave it at 322 megahertz. Press again the green button and go next. And now it will make a automatic search. Let's see how many channels it will find. So we've already passed the 90 channel mark, over 100. This is a whole different story. So you can imagine, before I only received like, how much? A third, almost a third from what I can receive right now. 158 TV channels and 12 radio channels. Click OK on the remote control. And we see that it shows the LAN cable is disconnected, but since this is not a smart TV, it's just a PC monitor, so I use it just to have a display. It will be okay. Just now press the green button on the remote control and click finish.
Taxe entități ale guvernului, indiferent că sunt instituții sau companii de stat, în decursul derulării proiectelor de investiție.
So it uses the speakers of the monitor. I will not need the audio out cable anymore. I used with that old TV toner. The image is flawlessly. So it's flawless, guys. It's incredible how good it looks. This is really 1080p. Let's change the channel. So yeah, the HD channels look a lot better. So this is a HD channel, and the regular one. You can see the difference. The image is blurry. It's not so hi-fi. And this is the HD. It's really something else. This is about it. Thank you for watching so far, and please stay tuned, because soon I will post another recording with this receiver connected to a 4K display, so a 4K PC monitor. And I am really interested to see if there will be even a greater improvement than what it is for now on the HD channels. But even so, I am very pleased with the result. Thank you for watching. Take care, guys.